Confused about using on or in when talking about time? Let's make it super simple in just 1 minute. Use on for specific days and dates. Think of pointing to one spot on a calendar. For example, on Monday, on my birthday, or on July 4th. Easy, right? Now, for in, think bigger. Use in for longer periods like months, years, seasons, and parts of the day. For instance, in July, in 2025, in the summer, and in the morning. An exception to remember is at night. Now, for a quick test, do we meet ... Monday? Yes, on Monday. Is your birthday ... August? Correct, in August. What about 2030? You got it? In 2030. See, now you're a pro. For more quick English tips, don't forget to subscribe.